Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm the Crocheteer and this is the first time I'm seeing you guys face to face, and we're doing a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a nice and simple leaf. This leaf is super easy to make and it should take about 5 minutes to make, and once you've made a few of them it'll only take you about 3. Super easy and effective and great if you're having to make leaves en masse. So without further ado, let's get to the desk and start crocheting. For the leaf, you're going to need some green wool, a 3.5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. If you get the end of your green wool, you're going to tie a slip knot, and put that on the hook. Now we're going to chain 10. And there we have 10 chains. Now we're going to do a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So we're going to skip the first chain and do a single crochet into the second. We only want to go through the one strand of the chain on the side we're crocheting. We're now going to do another single crochet into that same stitch. We're now going to do a single crochet into the next chain. And now we're going to do a half double crochet. We're going to do 2 half double crochets into the next 2 chains. So that's 1 half double crochet per chain. For a half double crochet, you wrap the wool around the hook, you insert the hook into the chain, you pull 1 loop of wool through, and then you pull the wool through all 3 of the loops on the hook. So we're going to repeat that for the next chain. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. For these, you wrap the wool around the hook, you insert the hook into the chain, and you pull a loop through. But this time, when you pull the wool through, you only pull it through 2 loops, and then you pull it through the next 2 loops. So we're going to repeat that stitch into the next 2 chains. Now we're going to do a half double crochet stitch. So we wrap the wool around and put the hook into the chain, pull 1 loop through, and then pull a loop through all 3 of the loops for that stitch. And then we're going to do 2 single crochet stitches into the last chain. And there we have half of the leaf. Now we're going to get the point at the end. So to do this, we're going to chain 2 stitches, and we're going to slip stitch back into the first chain. We're now going to do 1 chain, and then we're going to start on the other side of the leaf. So we're going to do 2 single crochets into the first chain on the other side. So this is the last chain that we did 2 single crochets into. And now you can see we have started going down the other side of the leaf. We're now going to do 1 half double crochet into the other side of the previous half double crochet we did, and we're making it symmetrical. Sometimes it's quite hard to tell where to put your hook. If you're confused, just find where the previous stitch was, and you want your hook to go into the base of that stitch. So now we're going to do 3 double crochets into the next 3 chains. Now we're going to do 2 half double crochet stitches into the next 2 chains. We're now going to do a single crochet into the next stitch, and then finally we're going to do 2 single crochets into the last chain. Now all we have left to do is make the stalk. For the stalk, we're going to chain 5, and now we're going to slip stitch down 4 chains. So we're going to skip the one at the end of the hook, and we're going to go into the second one and slip stitch. And now to finally finish off the leaf, we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet we did. Now we cut the wool, pull the wool through, and then you simply weave the wool in and out of the stitches that we have to get rid of it. Once you've done that, you can cut the wool nice and close to the leaf and it should disappear. We will repeat that with this strand of wool up here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if there's any tutorials you would like to see, comment down below so I can make them for you. Thanks for watching.